Hi guys, welcome back to Arts and Eswatini. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. Today we're going to be doing a three-dimensional sculpture. So we are going to be doing shoes! So these shoes don't even fit me, as you can probably see, but that's besides the point. We're just going to be sculpting them. They don't actually have to fit you, I think. To make these shoes we're going to be using cereal boxes.
So I've chosen the comfortable sneaker option. Let's see how that works.
To make your shoe sculpture, you'll want a shoe, obviously, a cutting board and cutters, or if you don't have these, you can use scissors, plain white paper and a pencil, glue, a ruler, pegs, or anything that will be able to hold the cereal box in place when you glue it. So you could use the pegs or maybe paper clips or anything else you find. And your old cereal boxes. And that's it.
Once you're ready to start with your shoe, you can have a good look at it. The shoe's made up of different segments. So for example, this section here is going to be replicated in reverse on this side. If you look at a cardboard box, you'll see that when a cardboard box is constructed, there'll be a little flap here that gets used to glue the cardboard box together. Similarly, when we're constructing the pattern for the shoe, we'll construct the different segments, but then we also have to consider how we're going to put it together. So we'll have to make little flaps or little areas that overlap so that we can join them together, and that's where our pegs will come in later. But the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make a pattern for the different segments that are going to make up the shoe. The first section that's quite easy to recreate is the sole of the shoe, because you can just copy that if it's a flat shoe. Just trace around it, and there you've got your first section. And if you're going to make two shoes, then you'll do it in reverse for the other shoe. Let's just add the flaps already that you can see. So here I'm going to add on a flat area a couple of little flaps like there and here that I'll use later to glue the shoe together, to glue the sole onto the rest of the shoe. So this is creating my template or my net. So I'm going to try and copy this pattern, and I'm going to tilt the shoe whilst I draw to get the shape and the length. So it's easy this way around till the front. But now let me show you the same again on the reverse side. So I want to do this section here now. So I'm going to tilt it up, connect my pencil here, and I'm going to slowly move the shoe around. And I'll just rework it a little bit. I was looking at the original. There we go. And that will be that part of the pattern. So you can see that the front part of the shoe is rounded. So to try and make that out of a flat piece of cardboard is obviously quite difficult. So what I've done is I've cut out a template, like a little comb, and when you cut it out of cardboard you can actually turn it, and then these bits will curl around and it'll actually become a rounded shoe. So you'll see that when I'm making it. Once I've drawn out all the patterns on the paper and cut them out, you'll also see that I've added the little folds that I'm going to use to attach all the pieces together, and I've also added what part of the shoe it is, so the sole, and that I'm going to cut this out twice, and the one is going to be in reverse. I just mark every pattern like that, and now I'm ready to go for it.
If you try to fold the cardboard, you get like this horrible crease over here, but that can be avoided by simply taking your cutter and aligning it and making a small cut, not all the way through, and then it should fold very nicely like that.
Without further ado, here is our shoe.